Hey you guys, so yes, I am currently in my Victoria Beckham mood right now. I've got my sunglasses on, my hair pulled back, and my basic white t-shirt. So in today's video, I'm showing you how to style yourself like Victoria Beckham and just kind of getting in her mindset and her style zone. So if you guys want to see the outfits that I put together, some exactly like Victoria Beckham and some I feel like VB would approve of, then make sure you keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and yeah. Oh, all the products will be listed down below in the description, so make sure you check out the description box. These are all like older pieces because like her and I have such similar sense of style. These pieces I've had in my wardrobe for a while, so I'll try to link similar pieces down below. But anyways, I don't want to keep rambling. Let's just get on with the video. So here we are at outfit number 1. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to talk in a British accent. That is so awkward. This is outfit number 1. I feel like I have seen Victoria Beckham in a really similar outfit. I'm gonna move that towel out of the way. I've actually worn this like before to church. I've worn this out. These boots are actually from Zara. They still have them in stock. They're heeled like that. They actually go up to my knees, which is really nice, and they are such a good dupe for the actual Victoria Beckham boots. If you've ever seen them, they're really gorgeous. They ruche up at the bottom, just like hers. And then I got these jeans from a thrift store from Goodwill, and these ones here are actually men's size 32. I just actually belted it at the waist. I didn't even button it. It's just like belted. Threw a belt on, threw a black turtleneck on. Again, this turtleneck here is one you've seen on my channel from Zara. And then these sunglasses, I'm gonna come up closer for you guys. So these sunglasses here are by EYEBUYDIRECT. These are in the velour style. And then I just put my hair up in a bun, a low bun. I feel like I always see Victoria Beckham rocking one of these style buns. But yeah, I love this first outfit. I'm gonna kind of tilt you guys off to the side. I'm sorry for this angle. This is the entire look together. So cute, love this first outfit. Definitely one of my favorites. So we're leaving the same sunglasses on for outfit number 2 and probably the entire like lookbook situation, because I feel like I've only ever seen Victoria Beckham wear huge sunglasses, and these are actually prescribed, so these are like the only ones I could actually wear indoors. We're channeling the second outfit here. I'm wearing this Lands' End top that I got from Sears actually. Like, yeah, I know Sears. And I love the quality. You guys have seen this on my channel tons before. It's 3/4 sleeve, so not full sleeve like hers, but I feel like you can find sweaters like this anywhere. I know Lily Silk has a similar one. These jeans were from a sale at Zara that I got in Europe. They're in a size 29, so they are a little bit big on my waist, but I think that this fit is really nice because it's similar to hers. And then I was waiting for these shoes to come in the mail. That's why I've been postponing this video, because I've been waiting on these shoes. These are by 9 West. I'm gonna leave a link to them down below. I am so obsessed with these shoes, you guys. I am super duper happy with these shoes. They were only like $36, $35, and they're amazing quality, and I'm so happy with them. So I'll leave links to the exact same ones down below. But yeah, this is the next outfit. I'm gonna tilt you guys off to the side again. Sorry about that. So this is the next outfit. Definitely feel like Victoria Beckham for sure. I just feel like this is her vibe. That is outfit number 2. Alright, so here we are at the next outfit. This is definitely one that you've seen on her runway shows when she is at her fashion show and then she like waves to the audience. I get so inspired by her. All she wears is like a basic white t-shirt like this. This one's from Zara. Same jeans, and then just a pair of red heels that I paired, but she's wearing purple colored lavender heels in the photo. So again, it's the same exact outfit, but we just changed out the top. And I feel like that's an essential for Victoria Beckham. She wears really well-fitting basic pieces, like well-fitting jeans, well-fitting shirts, just like the book that I'm gonna show you guys. She really does look for really good quality fits and stuff, so I love this look so much. I definitely feel like Victoria Beckham, but it's just such an easy look. Even on 4th of July, I feel like I could definitely see Victoria Beckham wearing this kind of an outfit. So here's an outfit featuring my dog that I have worn before on my channel. She's pairing a pair of like checkered trousers. Her check is much more like oversized and almost like a Burberry check. Mine is really small. It's like the Prince of Wales check, and then I'm pairing it with my leopard print heels from Mark Fisher from Amazon, and then this Zara pearl studded jumper. So hers is turtleneck. There are so many options like this out there in the market. She dresses really simple, like business casual. I feel like that's what makes her look really timeless with all of her clothing. So she's wearing a sweater with really, really big sleeves like I am. She really plays with different silhouettes, and I really like that about her style. She can look really feminine and androgynous at the same time, which is something that I really like to resonate with my style. So again, with the same sunglasses on, hair pulled back in a pony, even though hers is down and curled. This is the next outfit. I really love this one. Again, I've worn this exact outfit before. Now this dress here you guys have seen in my recent Valentine's Day outfits ideas and gift ideas video, which if you haven't, I'll leave a link to down below. This dress here is just by Topshop, and she's wearing like a midi tube top black dress with red heels. So that's what I did here today. I love this classic color palette that she always plays with like blacks and reds, or burgundies and browns, or whites and blues and stuff, and I just really love this kind of a color palette. Now I know this is such an old photo of her outfit, like this was probably back in the early 2000s or 90s, but still I feel like without the headband it's a really cute look, and I would definitely wear this outfit here to like a wedding or even for Valentine's Day dinner. So yeah. Thank you, Victoria Beckham, for all the inspo. Here is another outfit that I feel like isn't necessarily one I would normally wear. Now this shirt looks a little bit off because it's actually a shirt dress and it goes down to about here, but I've just tucked it into these pants. These pants are from Zara. This shirt is from H&M, like on sale last summer sometime, but I felt like I had to show you guys these mustard trousers that she has as well. They're probably different brands. She's probably not wearing Zara, but I just felt like this was such a cute look. Again, paired it with the leopard heels. She always has this gorgeous silhouette of like wide leg trousers that are really, really well fitted and that go really long. I actually tailored mine, and they're kind of shorter because I didn't like it dragging all over the floor, and I feel like this is a really good length for me. Yeah, again, I probably wouldn't wear this outfit normally out, but I just thought this looked really similar to something that she'd wear. She wore a coat over, but I don't have like a neutral coat, so this will do. But this isn't necessarily an outfit that I'm copying exactly like Victoria Beckham, but I do feel like it's very much inspired by her style. This really gorgeous pleated skirt. This is by Selfridges. And then this sweater here is by H&M. I feel like I've seen these sweaters like over and over again. I feel like this color here, this scarlet red, is a color that Victoria Beckham has in her own fashion line, but also one that she wears a ton. So again, with like the bell balloon sleeves, a kind of a mock neck here, with these knee-high boots. So that's how high these boots go. I love these so much. They are the best investment I've ever made in a pair of shoes. They were kind of pricey, but I got them on sale for like $170. So these are just leather ruched at the bottom. They look exactly like Victoria Beckham's, like so similar. So really love this combo here. I definitely feel like this is VB approved, so I love this outfit here. The very last and final outfit is definitely one that when I put it on, immediately I felt like Victoria Beckham. Both pieces are from Zara. I love the Zara trousers because they're so high-waisted and my boobs are literally like right here, and that's how much space I have, and it just really cinches in at my waist. Now I'm wearing the red high heels that I got from 9 West. The shirt, again, from Zara. Basic t-shirts are amazing at Zara. What I've noticed with Victoria Beckham's shirts, the sleeves, they always kind of come a lot further down on the arm, and I feel like this one here does that really well. It covers my arm really nicely, and again, hair and sunglasses are the exact same, but I'm gonna tilt you guys off to the side. Here's like the full outfit. I feel like with a little underarm bag, this is definitely Victoria Beckham approved. I also wanted to mention this book that my boyfriend got for me in like I don't know exactly where he got it. He got this book at like a sale or something, like a yard sale. But he saw this book and he thought of me and he bought it for me. So I'm so appreciative, but I will leave a link to this book. It's actually really helpful with like styling tips, and just everything about her style is in here. This is really what made me really inspired by her and her style and want to do this video. So I'll leave a link to this book down below. Those are all the outfits today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this was kind of like a different format of video than I normally do, but I really hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!